Now let's have the continuation on the linked list operations. In this case, we have the doubly linked list, and we have the um, created previously the operations add to head, add to tail, search. Not yet on searching. We have the methods SMT of type of boolean. Um, Print head, print tail, print forward. Now let's have the remove from head. Uh, we'll be using void data type, void type for this method. This will be called like remove from head. Okay, so for the remove from head, for example, we have to check if the list is empty. So if the list is empty, then we can't remove from an empty list. So just return a message list is empty. Okay. Then else, sorry, else if the list is not empty, then we have to remove the pointer and put it to the next one. So in this case, okay, we will be using the paint for the illustration, just like if we have a list like this, okay, in which this is a doubly linked list. This is pointing, okay, and this is pointing to here, and this one is pointing to here. This one is pointing to here, and this one is pointing to here, and this is null, and this is null. Okay, and we have here the head, which is pointing to this node. Okay, so head is pointing to this one, and for example, this has a value of 500, for example. So if this is 500, so this one is located at address 500. Okay, so for example, this one is at 500, and this one is at 1000, and this one is at 15. So the content of this one is 1000, and this one is, okay, the address of this one is the previous node. This one contains the address of 15, and this one contains the address of the previous node, which is 1000. Okay, so now we will let this head point to this one and make this link point to null. What are we going to do is we have to make use of this one, that is head is equal to head dot next. That is alter the pointer from 500 to 1000 at this time. So head now is pointing to this node. So it's pointing to this node, so it's no longer pointing to this node. So all we need to do, make this link as null. So we are going to say that since this is our head now, then head dot previous is equal to null. Okay, so we will say head is equal to head dot next, and and head dot previous is equal to null. So at this time, the head dot previous is not pointing to nothing. It's not pointing to this a node na, but it's pointing to null. So there's no link in this link. There's no address na that will be stored in this link, but it's null. Okay, now let's try to run. Okay, save and run. By the way, okay, we have to try calling this method remove from head in our app. So after this one, that is we have list dot remove from head. Okay, so okay, so we have to run this one. We have here printing forward 30 20 10 and 50. So since we have called the method remove from head, so the head now is 20 instead of 30. Okay, and still tail is 50. Okay, so you can perform the remove from tail, and to do that it's just the opposite of the remove from head. Okay, thank you.